challenge. Trade toys for food, triple value. Alright, last time I did the extra spicy hot pot challenge, fans called me a cutie pie. This time, I'll prove myself. I'm going straight for the extra spicy hot pot. I even brought a secret weapon. I'll make you all truly convinced. I'm using my Bambu Lab HRD dual extruders feature. With 2 AMS units, I can set 2 colors per layer. It prints dual color without filament changes. You can see the same model sliced. TS took 8 hours. H2D only needs 4 hours. Printing speed increased by 50%. Years ago, I flipped through the dictionary, looking for words to describe something far away. Is the horizon beyond the ends of the earth? I didn't know romance was my feeling until 9. The gentle ripples on the water's surface. The other side of my heart falls on my mature face. After all these years, what happens when shoulders are held in water all night? The tea at my eyelids holds a kind of jest. Even a writer can't find fault. Its taste and texture aren't bad at all. There's a kind of brightness, where we hold your little hand. There's a word called home. Their white hair still forbids them to speak. The tea is like the road. A fragrant landscape painting greets you. Can I trade toys here for hot pot? For some food? What kind of toys? Just, like, my 3D printed toys. But our manager isn't here. I can't make that decision. The manager isn't here? Right. How about I show it to you? Then you can contact him. I can ask the manager later. Oh, okay. Then, I'll show it to you. This is ours. I'll also tell the boss. Talk to the manager about it. Okay. My phone should be. My phone's not working. What's this? Oh, this is ours. Mine. I'll talk to the boss. Hey kid, no. It's fine, you can have this, trade for it. I'll just let the manager know. Okay. If he agrees, it's fine. If not, then there's nothing I can do. Okay. Oh, sorry for the trouble. I thought it was like a Douyin short video thing. Self-media stuff? No, thanks, but... Alright, I'll just ask. I'll ask. Hold on a moment. Okay. Alright, no problem. Oh dear, my boss said it's fine. No problem. The seats are indeed very close. Let me show you to your table. Okay, thank you so much. We have different spice levels. Would you like normal or extra spicy? The spiciest level is extremely hot. Can you handle it? It's very spicy. The maximum level. Then I'll take you over. Great. Okay, thank you. Oh, alright, we'll watch a movie. Let's start now. All the dishes are served now. Thank you. Let's add this in first. These are ghost peppers. I made some dipping sauce. Feels like too little. Honestly, it's too little. Let me try this and see what's up. Here's some lamb for you. Fans eat first. Dip it in this chili powder. This noodle doesn't have much spice, to be honest. Welcome for the whole process. This is our old house. Not a single song. I'm getting a bit hungry, bro. I only understood that you want. What's going on? I'm 80. Why are you going out? Can't eat anymore. Guys, I can't eat anymore. That's all for today. I'll also upload this model to Tujia's MacWord community. Interested friends can download and print it to try.